Hey guys. So earlier today, I did a sort of dive into the realm of the Uncanny Valley. For people unfamiliar with the term, the Uncanny Valley is this range where if we have something that looks human enough, but not quite right, it's extremely unsettling. Think a lot of early Pixar animations of people where they weren't trying to make toys, but rather actual people. Nowadays, most animators intentionally make people at least a little bit cartoonish because it doesn't trigger the same visceral reaction that you get with the Uncanny Valley. The Uncanny Valley being a very good reason why a lot of people are not a fan of clowns, and why myths like Slender Man or The Silence or Wendigos are in every culture and always evoke this really strong response being just not right. These humans which aren't human. And in my little dive into the Uncanny Valley, I found out that researchers believe that it's an effect which is evolutionary. We have this reason to fight off these things which look human. It's a survival mechanism. But we don't find it in other animals. For whatever reason, the Uncanny Valley is an effect basically unique to people, which raises the question, what was it that we had in our past which would make fighting off things that look human but aren't a survival mechanism? Creepiness aside, well, turns out there might actually be something. You see, modern Homo sapien wasn't the only hominid to evolve. At around the same time, we had Neanderthals, which people are familiar with, and actually there were apparently 9 separate species of basically human ancestors, which, yes, to a certain degree we bred with and we're the combined ancestry, but to a much larger degree there was a lot of violence and we basically either consumed more resources and pushed them out that way, very often violent war, or yes, in a small subset of times we did breed with them because we were genetically compatible in that way, to a point. That said, current Homo sapien looks very much more like a single one of those ancestors and much less like the other 8. There was, in fact, another breed of humanoids which our ancestors had a genetic predisposition to fight, kill, destroy basically on sight because they were human, but not quite. As always, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss out. And until next time, see ya.